Hey everyone, very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to share with you step by step formula. What are those things that you have to understand so that you will be free, in your mind that definitely I will get 100% results. So first layer I could say that is visible layer or active layer, or you can say conscious layer. This level you can do all these things which are visible, which you can see, like when you are reading, when you are writing, when you are watching something, or when you are speaking. These are visible things and you can observe this, and you can read for a long time or for a short time. It's totally depends on you. So you are free here to take your steps. But the second level is, because when I'm talking about speaking, is totally unconscious process. You can't do anything in between. So the second layer is when you work actively, then your invisible level, I could say, or your subconscious programming start to build. First we start with visible actions, then we have to go on invisible level also. We have to work on that also. So what are the subconscious programming? Like when you feel nervous, and when you feel fear, doubts, when you feel judgmental, all those things. And there are so many wrong beliefs also in our country, like whatever I thought for a long time, that without grammar you can't speak. So we have to change those beliefs also. This is the second layer. So there are your steps, different steps are there. So I just want long time whenever I went to speak to someone, so I felt nervousness. So there are some past memories also, and sometimes some programming also, the natural things also in nervousness. So we have to understand that level also. When we come on the third level, that is the unconscious level, and that is, you can say, that natural level, like when I'm speaking this language, or whenever you speak your natural language, whenever you speak your native language, so in that moment you don't think that what should I speak. You never ever have any second thought that I'm doing wrong or right. So in third layer we have to work on unconscious level. What it means that whenever you speak your mother tongue, naturally you speak that. And when it comes to speak in English, there is a difference, there is a conflict, because you are holding that image of your native language speaker. All the time you are like me, all the time when I started my journey, and after 3 or 4 months, I realized that all the time, even I had all the sentences, I knew how to speak, but because I was holding that image of Hindi native speaker, so there was a conflict in my mind, deep in my mind somewhere. So I started feeling that no, this is something wrong for me. So we have to work on that level also. So there are 3 layers or 3 levels. First is visible or conscious, second is invisible or subconscious, and third is natural or unconscious. So when we work on the 3 levels, when we work on the 3 layers, then it become a natural language for us. And most of the time what we are doing, that we are just working on the surface level. It's like the disease in heart, but we are treating our hand. We are doing the same thing, and I observe because of that people have a lot of fear about English speaking, because the programming is on the conscious level and the subconscious level. You decide, when you feel, when you think that I have to speak, then you are going to take steps. So in the visible actions, in the conscious level, whatever you are doing, it will create your subconscious programming. But first we have to take action on the visible level. So what you can do, from where you can start, reading, writing, watching and listening. These are the 4 steps, and whatever the steps you want to start, from where you want to start, you can start with reading, you can start with writing, and you can start with listening also, because it's very easy nowadays. And you have to understand that because there are certain levels, there are certain layers, so you have to give some times. Like if you divide the time into 2 months, so at least 6 months you have to give. This is my motive to tell you that when you understand, when we know the basic thing, okay, it's the basic thing, so we are sure and mind will relax. Otherwise your mind play a lot of game, our mind play a lot of game all the time. So this is my motive, this is my wish to give you clear information, a clear roadmap, so that you will be sure, okay, I am doing it and 100% I will get result. So if you have some questions, so please comment on my videos and ask to me, so that I can make more useful content for you, because my intention is that I can help you, in easy way. I can help you in your own way, whatever problem you are facing. Most of the time problems are very subtle and no one can know, not any other person can solve that problem. So you have to observe yourself, you have to understand yourself, then you will get 100% result. And when I was starting, I never thought for many years that it could be possible for me, but I did it, because there is not any role of yours. You can do what you can do, and all the other things will happen automatically. So you have to just aware, you have to just be consistent, and it's not difficult also. So okay, so on this note I want to stop my videos, and I'm so grateful if you are watching till the end, and make sure that you share my videos with those who really passionate, who really want to start their English speaking journey. So I hope you are enjoying my videos, and if you are enjoying, definitely hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.